So these are my new sandals that I've received this year from a Christmas present from my daughter. These are made by Crocs. There was a teacher at school that had some, and I always envied hers. Now hers are black on the bottom, and they come in that style. They come in other colors as well, but I kind of love this cork look, and so let me show you these. These are very comfortable. I've worn them to school, so if they're school approved on that hard tile, they're going to make it in Europe. There's just so much cushion. They're so comfortable. The straps won't wear. They have not worn on me yet. I've worn them to school and I've enjoyed my day. I also am 5'3", so I do like having a little bit of a platform. I think it's not only for the cushion, but just makes me just a little bit taller. I like having a back strap. Almost all my sandals that I will wear traveling will have a back strap. So on the inside, as you can tell, these won't stain either because it's not even made of a material that would take stain. But it has like these little comfort beads. Well, that's the only way I can describe them is comfort beads on the inside. You can tell. Smooth all the way around. There's the little Crocs emblem right there. But these are my new favorites. They just snap into place right here. So far, I've not had any trouble with them snapping off. That could be a concern. Possibly, I just have not had that problem. So I can't say it's going to be an issue. So these are some of my new favorites. Now these are some of the ones I really love because I wear these to school all the time. These are the Dr. Scholl's sandals that just are so cushiony. They're wonderful. They don't stain on the footbed, as I will show you in just a moment. They don't rub my ankles. They're the most comfortable sandals I've come across. And so with these Dr. Scholl shoes, what I love is these are probably 2 years old. And I've worn them in Italy and I've worn them at school many times, but notice with 2 years old, they're not stained on the inside. I don't know, does anybody else have a problem with that? I know I don't like it. I don't want to see my foot outline in here. I think that's just unattractive. It's not that I take my shoes off and show anybody, but it's something for me I don't love. So this has been a great big bonus for these shoes is they don't have that stain on the inside. I will look up to see what kind of footbed this is on all the shoes because one viewer mentioned how they're allergic to memory foam. I had no idea that was a thing, but allergies are rampant about anything. So I will try to be mindful and describe what's in the shoes, so you might want to know about that, just in case. So these are so comfortable. I think I'd like to have a pair of black, but since I already have other black shoes, I feel like that's probably not something I should spend my money on, but I have enjoyed these a lot. So here is a pair of shoes made by Skechers. These also have been very well worn in my life. However, I have not taken them to Europe. The reason I have not taken them to Europe is because I really don't ever want to bring anything with a heel. That's just me personally. My choices will be a flatter style. Either these are kind of like a heel, but it's flat all the way across. I feel like this one I possibly could stumble. That's just me. I'm just nervous about that. So these are comfortable for me. I've not taken these to Europe because I just got these, but these are going to go because I feel very comfortable in these. These are flat. These I have taken to Europe. See how flat they are? This is just not me. But however, if you are a person that looking for maybe a high heel to go to Europe, I trust these. It has the back strap. It has no Velcro because it's kind of like a slip-on. You just slip your foot inside, as I'll show you in a video. But it's so comfortable. I wear these to work and I wear them to church. And so it's a kind of all man-made material. It doesn't show that footbed stain in there. These are the gray. And of course, I like them so much, I got them in the off-white. So I have 2 pair of these to prove that, yes, I do like them a lot. Gives you that little bit of height. And so I said, like, these are tried and true for me at school and church. And so I can recommend these highly as a great option I just won't ever carry them to Europe because I'm a little too nervous about me walking around in a heel. I might fall. I don't want to be one of them. Okay, I put on one of my dresses that I'm thinking of taking to Europe this summer. I have this in army green as well, so I can't decide because if you're wearing black, are you going to be hot? In Italy, you might be. June 27th, been before, late June like that, needed a light jacket in the morning, so it's kind of like a little up in the air, but let's talk about some tennis shoes. If you don't notice a theme, it's either going to be Skechers, or Dr. Scholl's, or now even Crocs. And so these are a pair of retro Skechers. Found these at Goodwill. And so let me show you what these look like. All right, so I've got my no-show socks on. Found these at Goodwill. I'm not even sure why they gave them up. They're just so cute. Plus, they're made by Skechers. I love how the retro tennis shoes have come back in style last year, and they're still holding strong today. Tilt that down just a little bit. So these would keep you safe and comfortable all day long. They could go with almost anything. Like that. A lot of times with a dress like this, I give it a little tie. I am short, so the 5'3". Sometimes you just need to do a little tie like that. Okay, here's another Dr. Scholl's pair. So in their tennis shoes, they have these, this line, I'll have it linked, I can't remember what it's called. This is my second pair. This one has a little bit of gold on the back, just a white sneaker. You can tell how kind of worn out it is. I wear these to school all the time. When my daughter was pregnant, she was really feeling the whole pregnancy towards the end because she was still teaching. She's a special ed teacher. And so I gave her a pair, I bought two, because I bought one, wore through them, and then I was going to Italy a couple years ago, bought another pair, and I kind of wanted them to look really fresh, so I wound up having two pair at the house. So I gave her one of mine, and she could make out the rest of her pregnancy at her school. So I wear these all the time. These are just the Dr. Scholl's sneakers. They've got a good bottom. So if you just need a good white tennis shoes, these are good. And then you can also catch them on the Black Friday sale. One time I got one of the pair for $35. So watch your sales if you would like to save a little bit of money. These are so super comfortable. Again, I need to look to see if there's memory foam in there in case you happen to be allergic to a memory foam. I'll check that out. But it goes great with just a little casual dress. Plain white. They do come in other colors. I just happen to think white goes the best with everything. These are some of my favorites. So for my last pair I want to share, I've not taken these to Europe because they're new to me. I got them after Christmas. There was a little sale going on. I had been looking at the Sambas, except I always feel a little bit nervous about getting a shoe that's flat like these. These have worked well to me. I consider them kind of like a narrow, like flat to me. I feel like I always need more of a cushion, and I already have these. But I was looking at the Sambas and thinking about, do I want another pair that's that low to the ground? And then I saw that Adidas had the more of the platform. So I've worn these to work a lot. And like I said, if I feel like I can teach in them all day, standing up on the tile, I feel like it would translate well to walking all day because I basically feel like I'm walking for 7 hours during the day and then running errands. And so I really have enjoyed these Adidas with the extra cushion. I did get black because I have quite a few white pair, but it does come in other colors. And so these have been a nice addition to my teacher wardrobe. So we can't have a closing of a video without having Lucas in here. He seems to be my video partner each time I make a video, it seems like. So I hope these ideas have helped you pick out some shoes. I'd like to hear your... He's biting me. Anyways, I hope these ideas have helped you. I hope you enjoyed this. I do have lots of viewing hours, if you would be so generous to like and subscribe. That would help my subscribers. I'm approximately 350, and I would love to make this as a part-time income as a teacher to supplement my income, and hopefully in 9 years it'll be something I can rely on once I retire. So if you would hit the subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you for watching.